Wanted to show you a few statistics on the different operating systems that are out there in the marketplace and what kind of market share they each have. So I'm here at w3schools.com, and all I did was I went to Google and I searched for OS statistics, and it brought me to w3schools.com. And yeah, so not sure how reliable this source is, but it looks pretty good. It looks like they know what they're doing. And operating system platform statistics. So platform again refers to kind of what kind of operating system, what kind of hardware. Is it Mac hardware? Is it more of a PC like Dell or HP or ASUS or one of those manufacturers, right? So what kind of platform is it? And here we've got Windows 8, Windows 7, Vista, Windows NT, Windows XP, Linux, Mac, and mobile. And in 2013, August, Windows 8 had about 10% market share. Windows 7, about 56% market share. That's huge. Vista, really small market share. NT, really small. That's old. XP, still pretty significant, 15% market share. So just here, these are all Windows flavors right here. And so together, Windows has 56 plus, 15 would be 71 plus that's like 81% of the market is Windows right there. 81% of the market. 81% of the operating systems out there on desktop, laptop computers. 81% Windows. Linux makes up 5%. Mac, Apple, only 9.2%. Kind of sad because I think it's pretty great. And then mobile operating systems, 3.4%. Not quite sure what that is. We're just looking at this stuff right here. We'll stick with that right now. So that's kind of interesting. And then for browsers, right? What kind of browsers are being used? 11% of the 12% of the market uses Internet Explorer. 28% uses Firefox. 53% uses Google Chrome, which is awesome. Safari's 3.9% and 1.8% is Opera. So that even add up to 100%. We got 53, 29. That's about 53, 83, 82. And here we have, 94. Yep, that's about 100%. So those are the browser stats. And then for display statistics, what kind of resolution are people using? Again, January 2013, we have 9% of the market at 1024/68, and then smaller portions of the market at smaller resolutions. So most people are higher than 1024/68. So if we look, there's the email I was trying to send to everybody. Here is screen resolution. At 1024/68 would be right there. So 90% of people have a monitor that's a lot bigger than that. I'm all the way up to 1920 by 1080. So those are some statistics which are kind of interesting about what kind of platforms, what are people using, what kind of operating system are people using. Windows is the most popular operating system. Mac is surprisingly low. Here are some stats on the browsers which are interesting, and here are some stats on people's displays. One other thing which might be interesting is Android iOS market share. Let's see what we find about that. Android nears 80% market share in global smartphone shipments. Images for Android iOS market share. We could take a look at those. And what do we have? I'm going to go to search tools and just show me large images so they come up and I can actually read them. That looks like a good one. Android versus iOS. Jobs. There's 60% of mobile development jobs are iOS, 40% Android. And then here in the USA is 64% is Android, 35% iOS. Is iOS always green? It looks like it. I'm just looking for a legend here. Smartphone market shows a constant competition between Android and iOS. How do the jobs, these are the jobs, how do the jobs stack up? iOS, Android catching up, 2003 through 17. So that's projections. This is where we are right about now. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. That's a good one. Finally, we found a good one. So iOS has much greater installed base in millions, right? Up to 250 million almost. But projections show it'll drop off. And Android, what Google has backed is really taken off. So if you're going to learn to program in one of these, go for Android according to these statistics, because when you've learned your skills in a couple of years, that will be the one with the jobs. All right, very cool. Nice stats.